So do you want to be more successful? Have you thought about changing your personality? Yeah, I know, Winnie, right? I mean, think about that. Somebody hears that change my personality. Is there something wrong with me? Well, let me share something with you. How many times, and I'm going to share with you also two celebrities that you may not know about something they did that they were known for, especially one person. Hey, I'm talking. Especially one person. And the other celebrity made $1 million. So, about changing your personality. Have you ever watched shows like American Idol, The Voice, and you see these people? They've never, sang in front of thousands and thousands of people. So basically, they're really shy. Winnie, I'm trying to talk. Hold up. They're very shy, and as they progress, they get more confident. Their personality has changed. They're the same person, but they grew. All right, so with that being said, two people that changed their personality. And where I'm going with this is think about you. People who, for example, speak for a living. Even people who are athletes, if they can communicate a message stronger, they get more endorsements. There's just so many ways you can go with this. If you are not a strong communicator, that's something you should work heavily on changing. And you might feel it's not me. You might have to change your personality, but it would benefit you. Anyway, those two celebrities. Number one, Marilyn Monroe. She put her little soft voice on. That wasn't really Marilyn Monroe's voice. She decided to change her voice till it became natural. She increased her femininity, and people love that. The other person, Elizabeth Taylor, did the same thing. She was the first female actress to be given a $1 million contract. Something to think about it. I know something for me personally. I know that I'm always trying to grow and stretch. And I know when I first started speaking, I was nervous and I spoke super fast. And there's so many things I had to change because I wanted to be effective in reaching out to more people. And more importantly, not just reaching out to them, my number one objective was to help them change their behavior so they could grow and have more success. Anyway, think about it. I'm kind of curious if, you don't mind in the subject below or whatever, what might you have to grow and change? And maybe, we might have to change our personality. Winnie, sometimes, I don't know about you, Winnie's got like 5 personalities. They're crazy.